I'm on my second guess, or maybe my second best. What do I have to do?
So first I'm going to begin with using my Etude House Fix and Fix primer and put that where it's needed, mostly on my cheeks and T-zone. Then I'm going straight in with this Milani foundation and putting that all over my face. I'm like fully in love with this Milani foundation by now. I think it's like the closest ever drugstore match to my skin, and it was hella cheap, like $5. Next, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer under my eyelids and on my nose bridge and just blend it out. Then I'm using this baking powder by decay and I'm packing it under my eyes. I have no idea where I put my sponge that I usually use, so I honestly just use like a regular foundation brush and called it a day. I don't know if that's bad or not, but we here now. Next, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pomade and filling in my eyebrows. Then, of course, cleaning it up with the same concealer and also putting the concealer on my lids and also setting powder on my lids also. Duh. Oh. That was a lot of alsos. I'm sorry. So first, with the eyeshadow, I will be applying this very gold color called Wudabi from my Saharan palette into my creases. I'm gonna really focus that in and blend it out so that when I apply my green, it comes off way brighter. Then I'll be applying this green shade from this face paint set I have. I know that's a little weird, but I've been wanting to use that green on my eyes for a while now, and this was kind of my chance. The palette is called like Eye Magic and it's literally like $10 or $5 on Amazon. It's super cheap and a lot of people do use it mostly for like face painting, but I'm just using it for eyeshadow today. Anyway, I really kind of pack and blend that into my lids. Then I go in and take a dark green shade from my Too Faced Eggnog palette and I also put that into my creases, and I also go back and forth between my face paint palette and the green shade from this Too Faced Eggnog, and I just kind of keep adding on and on until it's the color that I really like. After that, I'm sort of just carving in a crease with my concealer. Then I'm using Extraordinary from my Etude Play Color Eyes palette and putting that all over my lid. Lastly, I know I packed a little bit of black. I think this was the Chad color from my Saharan palette just to add a little bit more dimension. And then I add my lashes. I literally go through lashes like it's crack, and I'm always changing them, so I honestly don't remember the exact lashes I'm wearing for this video, but I know it was cheap and I know you can probably find it at your local beauty supply store, so yeah. After that, I'm adding mascara and finally blending in my baking powder. Next, I'm using this pink NYX lipstick in Kitten Heel as blush. And then I'm taking this cherry pink lipstick from ColourPop and putting it on my lips as like an ombre effect. I don't exactly remember the name of this either. I got it as like a 3 set, so even when I try to look for it, I'm like lost. But after that, I add the super pretty reflective gloss from NK Cosmetics on top. And I love the purple reflexive qualities of it, and yeah, it just gives it a little bit more flair. It makes it look very just cherry and glossy and cute. And then I am done. Oh no, I definitely put a highlighter on, but I don't remember what was the highlighter. Girl, did I not put highlighter on? Yeah, I did put highlighter on. After blush, I'm putting on my Palato highlighter. I always use this highlighter. I heard Palato went out of business, so hopefully not, because I need to get some more of this. And yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup video. Remember to like and subscribe as always, and I'll see you guys next time.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.